Hi, my name is Kelly Weldy, and I am a Digital Learning Specialist for Concord Community Schools. Welcome, parents. Today I'm going to give you some information about the Parent Dashboard in Unified Classroom. Once you log in to the Parent Dashboard, you will see a screen that looks like this. It will say Dashboard in the upper left corner. If you ever navigate away from this page and you'd like to get back, you'll just click on this P Unified Classroom and it will bring you back to this page. Off to the very far right-hand side, you'll see your initials. If you were to click on your initials, there are three options: Settings, Sign Out, and Profile. We'll go back to Profile in just a few minutes. Just under your initials, you can toggle between Q1 for Quarter 1, S1 for Semester 1, and D1 for daily grades at the high school. Down towards the middle will be your child's courses, along with their current grades for each subject. This is the area I have blacked out. At the top of this dashboard page will be your child's name. If you have more than one student enrolled at Concord schools, this is where you can toggle between your children. You click on your child's name, it will bring up a page that looks like this. Where your child's name is listed, you can click on it and toggle between your children. You can also choose the school year that you're looking at and the semester. You may also choose if you would like to just look at one course or all classes. Once you choose which course you'd like to look at, you can go back to that main dashboard page to look at your other child's dashboard. Back on this dashboard page, over at your name, if you click on your name and the word profile, you will be taken to your own profile page. You'll see your name, and off to the right, you'll see your preferred language. If you wish to change your preferred language to something other than English, use the drop-down arrow to choose your preferred language and be sure to click Save. When you're done, you can use the back arrow to go back to the dashboard. From this dashboard page, you can access your child's grades and attendance at a quick glance. If you click on Quick Links, right here, I have it circled, and Main Portal Page, this will take you to a page where you can see your child's grades and attendance quickly. Your child's name will be listed in the top left corner. This is where you would go to navigate if you have more than one child at Concord, and you can toggle between their names. Your child's name will also be listed right here in the top middle portion of the page. In the middle of the page, you will see your child's courses, all listed down the middle, and their grades, where I have it blacked out. These are the grades for Quarter 1. As the year progresses, Quarter 2 will be added to this page. Quarter 3, there will be Semester 1 grades, and E1 at the high school for final exam grades. You can also have access to your students' grade history and attendance history. You may also see if your student has any email notifications or teacher comments. You can also see your child's schedule, your child's daily schedule here. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any of Concord's digital learning specialists. My name is Kelly Weldy. Kendra Devine is another digital learning specialist, and Tyler Stevens. Thank you.